How to get YouTube Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get YouTube Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now getting YouTube Premium is actually quite simple. In my case I already have Premium by the way, but I will still show you a way to get it. So once you open up the YouTube app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Come to the profile page from the bottom of the screen over here, then simply scroll down. You'll find a pop-up that says Get YouTube Premium. So tap on the Get YouTube Premium option. All you have to do is tap on the Get YouTube Premium button here, select a plan as to which one you want, tap on the confirm option. All you have to do is simply make sure to add your credit or debit card. Once you make sure you add your credit or debit card, you'll be able to go ahead and then actually get YouTube Premium. That's all it takes to go ahead and then get YouTube Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.